Ever wonder why your nose suddenly explodes with a sneeze? Sneezing is your body's way of kicking out unwanted guests, like dust, pollen, or germs, from your nose. When something tickles or irritates your nasal lining, your brain gets the signal to launch a super quick, powerful burst of air. That's your sneeze. Sneezes can travel up to 160 kilometers per hour, spreading thousands of tiny droplets. It's your body's built-in defense system, gross but genius. So next time you sneeze, just remember, your nose is doing its job. Have an embarrassing sneeze story? Drop it in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more cool facts.